Wow! Cool! I wonder what kind of car is inside.
Let's open it.
Okay, a colorful egg. What's inside?
Let's open it now. Are you ready?
Hi, I'm Kiki.
Hi, I'm Mew Mew.
Hi, guys.
Kids, do you know who this is?
Let's get to know her. I'm an excavator. I have a long arm and a big bucket, which is for digging the ground. I can change the bucket to a drill or a grapple. I have 4 strong wheels, and they help me go on solid roads. Dig! Dig! Wow! Your bucket looks so cool!
Yeah?
Thanks!
Excavator, where do you usually work?
I'm an excavator. I usually work at a construction site. I can also help repair the streets. Or build a house. You work all over the place. It's time for me to get back to work. Bye, Kiki and Mew Mew. Bye, excavator!
Let's go find treasure.
Well, is this the right way?
Yeah.
It's finally all done. Oh? Hey, what are you doing? We're looking for the magic puzzle. Let me help you. Huh? Okay!
Ba-da-ba-da-ba, magic puzzle. Ba-da-ba-da-ba.
Where is it?
Ba-da-ba-da-ba, magic puzzle. Ba-da-ba-da-ba.
Let's find it! Let's go!
Lulu la la, let's find all the pieces. Lulu la la, let's find all the pieces. Where are they? Digging, digging over here. Hey yo, hey yo. Digging, digging over there. Hey yo, hey yo. I found a square. Yeah, 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 yeah.
I found one! It's a square!
Ba-da-ba-da-ba, magic puzzle. Ba-da-ba-da-ba.
Where is it?
Ba-da-ba-da-ba, magic puzzle. Ba-da-ba-da-ba. Let's find it!
Let's go!
Lulu la la, let's find all the pieces. Lulu la la, let's find all the pieces. Where are they? Digging, digging over here. Hey yo, hey yo. Digging, digging over there. Hey yo, hey yo. I found some triangles. Yay, 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 yay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 triangles!
Ba-da-ba-da-ba, magic puzzle. Ba-da-ba-da-ba, many pieces. Ba-da-ba-da-ba, magic puzzle. Ba-da-ba-da-ba, put together.
Let's go!
Lulu la la, let's put the pieces together. Lulu la la, let's put the pieces together. What is it? Let's put it here. Let's put it here. Let's put it there. Let's put it there.
I found one more triangle!
Bring it here. Bring it here. Finally we made it.
Baby shark!
Congratulations!
stations. You've got an excavator.